Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to sort out my cooker hob. I've basically got a problem. These little rubber feet keep coming off and it's really annoying. So what I'm going to do is to glue it. But I can't just use any glue because it gets so hot it will just melt the glue and keep falling off. So I've got to use a heat resistant glue. So what I'm going to use is this. It's JB Weld. This one's called JB Quick. And it's heat resistant, so that should work. I used it on my radiator previously. I didn't do a video because I didn't believe it would work. I thought the radiator would carry on leaking, but it actually did work. So let's see how this goes. Okay, first of all, I'm going to mix up equal parts of this. I only need a tiny bit. Make sure the top's back on firmly because it can dry out. I'm just mixing it up just on a bit of cardboard and using a matchstick. And then I'll just put it on here. Just a little bit on there. Make sure it goes into the hole. Then that just goes back on. Okay, let's see how that goes. It says it takes 4 to 6 hours to dry. I'm going to leave it there just to dry. Great, that's that done. That's pretty quick and easy. So thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.